need a toilet.
Oh yeah.
Here's how to get to the planetarium app, but with Chet's VR. And of course, just like last time, we need some gear. Okay, if you're gonna want to be able to get to the planetarium app, you have to go to the mines.
Oh shoot, scared me.
Okay guys, once you've entered mines, you're just gonna want to jump down to the very bottom level.
Bye bye.
Okay, once you guys drop down, you're gonna want to go into this cave. Okay guys, what you're gonna want to do is just follow where I go, but beware because the map changes every update. Okay guys, once you've gone to this area, this is just the entrance to the planetarium, but as a clear warning, do not stand on any of these platforms.
And there's also a spider before we get.
Okay guys, if you see all these planets, good news, you've made it to the planetarium. Also guys, an easy way to get out of the planetarium, you just want to eat 2 of these broccolis.
And you'll become really small! Once you've eaten the broccolis, just head down to this little head in here.
Okay guys, you've made it back out of planetarium and you're really big now.
If you made it this far into this video, remember to like and subscribe as it helps me to reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year.